Hello students and everyone, welcome back to class 8 maths on my YouTube channel. First we will do practice set 15.1 on textbook page number 95. If base of a parallelogram is 18 cm and its height is 11 cm, find its area. Base of a parallelogram is given 18 cm. Height of a parallelogram is given 11 cm. You have to find area of a parallelogram. The formula of area of a parallelogram is base into height. That is equal to base is 18 multiplied by height is 11. Now you have to multiply 18 into 11. 1 8s are 8, 1 1s are 1. 1 8s are 8, 1 1s are 1. Now you have to add this number. 8 plus 0 is 8. 1 plus 8 is 9. 0 plus 1 is 1. After multiplying 18 into 11, the answer is 198. The unit of area is square meter and square centimeter. After getting the answer, you have to write the unit square centimeter. Therefore, area of a parallelogram is equal to 198 square centimeter. If area of a parallelogram is 29.6 square centimeter and its base is 8 centimeter, find its height. Area of a parallelogram is given 29.6 square centimeter. Base of a parallelogram is given 8 centimeter. You have to find height of a parallelogram. You have to use the formula of area of a parallelogram. The formula of area of a parallelogram is base into height. Area of a parallelogram is 29.6 is equal to base is 8 into height. You have to find. Height you have to take it on the left side. You have to divide 29.6 by 8 and we will get the answer height of a parallelogram. Height is equal to 29.6 upon 8. The formula of height of a parallelogram is area upon base. Okay. Now you have to divide 29.6 by 8. 8 3s are 24. 29 minus 24 is 5. One digit you have to bring it down. Before you bring one digit down, there is decimal point. Decimal point you have to put in quotient place. And then you have to bring one digit down. 8 7s are 56. 56 minus 56 is 0. Therefore, height is equal to 3.7 centimeter. Area of a parallelogram is 83.2 square centimeter. If its height is 6.4 centimeter, find the length of its base. Area of a parallelogram is 83.2 square centimeter. Base of a parallelogram you have to find. Height of a parallelogram is given 6.4 centimeter. Use the formula of area of a parallelogram. The formula of area of a parallelogram is base into height. Area of a parallelogram is 83.2 equal to base you have to find into height is given 6.4. Base is equal to 83.2 upon 6.4. The formula of base of a parallelogram is area upon height. Both the number 83.2 and 6.4 you have the decimal point, and after the decimal point there is one digit. If you have one digit after the decimal point, you have to multiply by 10 both on numerator and denominator. That is equal to 83.2 upon 6.4 multiply by 10 upon 10. After the decimal point, if there is one digit, if you are multiplying by 10, the decimal point will shift after one digit and you have to remove the decimal point. Even in denominator also, 6.4, after the decimal point there is one digit, and if you are multiplying by 10, decimal point will shift after one digit and you have to remove this decimal point. Okay, so it becomes 832 upon 64 after removing the decimal point. Okay, now you have to divide 832 by 64. 64 ones are 64. 83 minus 64, how much? 19. One digit you have to bring it down, that is 2. 64 threes are is going 192. 192 minus 192 is 0. Therefore, base is equal to 13 centimeter. Now we will begin practice at 15.2 on textbook page number 97. Lengths of the diagonals of a rhombus are 15 centimeter and 24 centimeter. Find its area. Lengths of a diagonals of a rhombus is equal to 15 centimeter and 24 centimeter. You have to find area of a rhombus. The formula of area of a rhombus is half into product of the length of the diagonals. Product of the length of the diagonals means you have to write multiplication form of given length of two diagonals, that is equal to half into 15 into 24. Okay, two table which is going, now you have to do the cancellation. 2 ones are 2 12s are 24. Number which is left on numerator, that you have to write multiplication form, that is equal to 15 into 12. Now you have to multiply the number 15 into 12. 2 5s are 10. 1 you have to carry up, 0 you have to bring down. 2 ones are 2, plus 1 3. If you are multiplying next digit number, you have to take 0. 1 5s are 5, 1 ones are 1. Now you have to add this number, 30 plus 150. 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 5, 8. 0 plus 1, 1. That is equal to 180. Therefore, area of a rhombus is equal to 180 square centimeter. Lengths of the diagonals of a rhombus are 16.5 centimeter and 14.2 centimeter. Find its area. Second sum you have to do same like first one how I taught. Lengths of a diagonals of a rhombus is equal to 16.5 centimeter and 14.2 centimeter. You have to find area of a rhombus. The formula of area of a rhombus is half into product of the length of the diagonals, that is equal to half into 16.5 into 14.2. Two table which is going, do the cancellation. 2 ones are 2, 7.1s are 14.2. Now to multiply the number on numerator which is left, that is equal to 16.5 into 7.1. Let's begin multiplying this number. One fives are 5, 1 6s are 6, 1 1s are 1. If you are multiplying next digit number, take 0. 7 5s are 35. 7 6s are 42. Plus 3, 45. 7 1s are 7. Plus 4, 11. Now I have to add this number. 5 plus 0, 5. 6 plus 5, 11. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. Decimal point will come before 2 digit. Okay. That is equal to 117.1 pi. Therefore, area of a rhombus is equal to 117.1 pi square centimeter. If perimeter of a rhombus is 100 centimeter and length of one diagonal is 48 centimeter, what is the area of the quadrilateral? Perimeter of a rhombus is given 100 centimeter. You have to find side of a rhombus. After that, length of one diagonal of a rhombus is given 48 centimeter. You have to find length of other diagonal of a rhombus. and then finally you have to find area of a quadrilateral. So statement you have to write, quadrilateral PQRS is a rhombus. Perimeter of a rhombus is equal to 100 centimeter. You have to take side PQ as a side of a rhombus. Okay. Side PQ you have to find by using the formula of perimeter of a rhombus. Length of PQ is equal to question mark. Now you have to use the formula of perimeter of a rhombus. The formula of perimeter of a rhombus is 4 multiplied by side. Perimeter of a rhombus is 100 is equal to 4 multiplied by length of PQ. Length of PQ you have to take it on the left side because you are finding length of PQ. You have to divide 100 by 4. After dividing 100 by 4, we will get the answer length of PQ. Length of PQ is equal to 100 upon 4. 4 ones are 4 25s are 100. Therefore, length of PQ is equal to 25 centimeter. Length of QS is equal to 48 centimeter given. You have to find half of the length of the diagonal QS. Half of the length of the diagonal QS is length of OQ. Length of OQ is equal to half into length of QS. Reason you have to write, diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other, that is equal to half into length of QS is 48. Now you have to do the cancellation, 2 table which is going. 2 ones are 2 24s are 48. 24 ones are 24. Therefore, length of OQ is equal to 24 centimeter. Now we have to find length of OP by using the formula of Pythagoras theorem. Length of PQ as the side of a rhombus you got 25 centimeter. Length of OQ as the half of the length of diagonal QS is 24 centimeter you got. Now we will find length of OP by using the formula of Pythagoras theorem. Angle POQ you have to take 90 degree if you are finding length of PO. Measure angle POQ is equal to 90 degree. The reason is diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular bisector of each other. All the angles of a rhombus are having 90 degree. By Pythagoras theorem, length of PQ square is equal to length of OP square plus length of OQ square. Length of PQ square is the hypotenuse square is equal to length of OP square is equal to side square plus length of OQ square is the side to square. Length of PQ square is 25 square is equal to length of OP square you have to find. You have to write as it is length of OP square plus length of OQ square is 24 square. Length of OP square take it on the left side. 25 square you have to take it on the right side. If an equation is addition, it becomes subtraction. That is, length of OP square is equal to 25 square minus 24 square. Square of 25 is 625 minus square of 24 is 576. Now I have to subtract 625 minus 576. Now I will subtract the number 625 minus 576. 5 minus 6 is not going. Here it becomes 15. Before one digit you have to cancel and it becomes one digit less. Become 11. So before one digit you have to cancel because 2 minus 7 is not going. Here it becomes 5. Now I will subtract. 15 minus 6 how much? 9. 11 minus 7 is 4. 5 minus 5 is 0. That is equal to 49. Length of OP square is equal to 49. Now you have to find square root of 49. Length of OP square, which is square here, you have to remove the square and right side you have to put square root symbol like this. That is length of OP is equal to square root of 49 is 7. Square of 7 is 49. Square root of 49 is 7. Therefore, length of OP is equal to 7 centimeter. Length of OP is half of the length of diagonal PR. Now you have to find full diagonal PR. Length of PR is equal to 2 times of length of OP. The reason is diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other. Length of PR is equal to 2 into 7. Length of OP got 7 centimeter. So you have to substitute the value. Length of OP is 7. 2 sevens are 14. Therefore, length of PR is equal to 14 centimeter. Length of other diagonal of a rhombus, that is length of PR, you got 14 centimeter. Length of one diagonal of a rhombus, which is length of QS, is given 48 centimeter. Okay. Now you have to find area of a quadrilateral PQRS. Area of quadrilateral PQRS is a rhombus. So you have to use the formula of area of a rhombus. Area of quadrilateral PQRS is equal to half into product of the length of the diagonals, that is equal to half into length of one diagonal is 48, length of other diagonal you got the answer 14. Now you have to do the cancellation, 2 table which is going. 2 ones are 2 sevens are 14, that is equal to 48 into 7. Now you have to multiply the number 48 into 7. 7 eights are 56. 7 fours are 28. 28 plus 5, 33. That is equal to, after multiplying 48 into 7, answer is getting 336. Therefore, area of quadrilateral PQRS is equal to 336 square centimeter. If length of a diagonal of a rhombus is 30 centimeter and its area is 240 square centimeter, find its perimeter. Length of one diagonal of a rhombus is given 30 centimeter. Area of a rhombus is given 240 square centimeter. You have to find length of other diagonal of a rhombus by using the formula of area of a rhombus. Perimeter of a rhombus, you have to find it last. Before you find perimeter of a rhombus, you have to find side of a rhombus. Side of a rhombus is not given. You have to find side of a rhombus by using the formula of Pythagoras theorem. So what is given, that you have to write a statement now. Quadrilateral WXYZ is a rhombus. Length of XZ, that is length of one diagonal of a rhombus, is equal to 30 centimeter. In bracket you have to write given. Area of a rhombus is given 240 square centimeter. You have to use the formula of area of a rhombus if you are finding length of other diagonal of a rhombus. The formula of area of a rhombus is half into product of the length of the diagonals. That is area of a rhombus is 240 is equal to half into length of one diagonal of a rhombus is 30 into length of other diagonal of a rhombus is length of WY. You have to find length of WY. Length of WY you have to take it on the left side, and 240 into 2 you have to write in cross multiplication form. 240 into 2 you have to take it on the numerator. Number 30 which is on the numerator you have to take it on the denominator. That is length of WY is equal to 240 into 2 upon 30. Now you have to do the cancellation table which is going. 31s are 38s are 240. Now you have to multiply 8 2s are 8 2s are 16. Therefore, length of WY is equal to 16 centimeter. Length of other diagonal of a rhombus, that is length of wy, is equal to 16 cm. Now you have to find half of the length of the diagonals of both the diagonals. That is length of xm is equal to half of diagonal xz. In bracket you have to write the reason. Diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other. That is equal to half of length of xz is 30. Now you have to do two table cancellation. 2 ones are 2, 15s are 30. 15 ones are 15. Therefore, length of xm is equal to 15 cm. Now you have to find other half of the length of the diagonal wy. That is length of wm is equal to half of diagonal wy. In bracket you have to write the reason. Diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other. That is equal to half of length of wy you got 16 cm. Now you have to do two table cancellation. 2 ones are 2, 8s are 16. 8 ones are 8. Therefore, length of wm is equal to 8 cm. Now you have to find segment xw by using the formula of Pythagoras theorem. Segment xm and segment wm are the half of the length of the diagonals xz and wy. Segment xm is equal to 15 cm. Segment wm is equal to 8 cm. You have to take right angle xmw if you are finding segment xw by using the formula of Pythagoras theorem. Measure angle xmw is equal to 90 degree. The reason is diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular bisector of each other. All the inside four angles of a rhombus is 90 degree. Use the formula of Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, length of xw square is equal to length of xm square plus length of wm square. Length of xw square is hypotenuse square is equal to length of xm square is side 1 square plus length of wm square is side 2 square. That is equal to length of xm square is 15 square plus length of wm square is 8 square. Square of 15 is 225 plus square of 8 is 64. Now you have to add 225 plus 64. 5 plus 4, 9. 2 plus 6, 8. 2 plus 0 is 2. After adding the number 225 plus 64, the answer is 289. That is equal to 289. Length of xw square is equal to 289. Length of xw square, which are having square, you have to remove this square. After removing this square, on the right side it becomes square root symbol. That is length of xw is equal to square root of 289. Now you have to find square root of 289. Square of 17 is 289. Square root of 289 is 17. If you are finding square root of any number which is going, the square of the number which is there, that you have to write only one time if you are finding the square root. Therefore, length of xw is equal to 17 cm. Length of xw is the side of a rhombus. Now you have to find perimeter of a rhombus. The formula of perimeter of a rhombus is 4 into side. Perimeter of a rhombus is equal to 4 multiplied by side. That is equal to 4 into length of xw. That is equal to 4 into length of xw. What answer you got, that number you have to write. Into 17. 17 fours are 68. That is equal to 68 cm. Therefore, perimeter of a rhombus is equal to 68 cm. If you understood maths practice at 15.1 and 15.2, give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.